Now I will demonstrate how to run our project in Oracle VM. Before start, we need two VM. First, to host Docker and TensorFlow for our train model. And second, to host Flask web server. Next, I will open the VM for our model. I have uploaded the model inside the VM. So now I need to run the model so our website can use the model. I will open the terminal and then I will use this command sudo docker run. After we see the entering the event loop, that means our model now is running successfully. Next, I will open the VM for our website. I have uploaded the file needed to create our website in the VM. So now I need to run it. First, I need to go to the directory where I stored the file, which is the project waste. Second, I need to activate the environment. Third, I will display which file need to be run. Basically, to connect the model with our website, I need to run model.py first. Then, lastly, I will run app.py to create our website for the user. Now, I will open the website to check whether it's successfully working or not.
Our team has started the Oracle VM. So this is the website in which we can select 5 schools. So I will choose a random school. For example, SK Putrajaya Presin 2, which there are 3 categories that can be chosen, such as blue bin for paper, orange bin for metal or plastic, and brown bin for glass. So first I'm going to test with the wrong garbage for the wrong bin. So first I'm going to select the blue bin for paper, and to make sure that the testing method, the functionality is correct, first I'm going to run an SQL query to check the process transactions in the database. So currently it's at 505. So I'm going to upload a sample image which will be served with TensorFlow on the Oracle VM. And here, actually, we have uploaded an image of a plastic cup, which is in the metal plastic category. However, since this is the blue bin, which is supposed to be for a paper category, they are not the same category, so the transaction will not be processed. So I'm going to run an SQL query again here. It will not be processed. It is still 505 transactions. So next, I'm going to demonstrate that the transaction is processed if it is the correct garbage with the correct bin prediction. I'm going to upload the previous image, which is in the plastic category. The predicted class for the garbage is metal plastic, and this is the orange bin, which is meant for the metal plastic category. It is the same category, so the transaction will be processed. So I'm going to run the SQL query again and see the number of processed trash is added by 506. So this is the Apex website that has been developed by our team to help manage the EZTrash system. First, I'm going to log in to the website. And here, this is the dashboard, which serves to provide the summary for the EZTrash system. So currently, we have 506 transactions, 5 schools, and 15 bins. The quantity for paper waste is 166, the quantity for metal or plastic is 177, and the quantity for glass is 163. We can also check the transactions by date. So currently, the highest transactions is at the 3rd September 2021 at 51. And we can also check the transaction quantity by school, which SK Putrajaya Presintu is the highest at 122 waste. We can also check the transaction quantity by day, which is Wednesday seems to have the highest frequency of waste at 87. So here is the prediction or forecasting page. Here, the time range is 14 days train data model, 7 days seasonality, which we forecast for the next 14 days. So here is the prediction or forecast page for paper category. So the dark blue line is the actual data in the database, while the light blue line is the predicted data by the model. And we can see the overall statistics here on the left side report. And the number of difference is actually pretty low in for almost all time periods. And based on the prediction, based on the forecast, it seems that the paper waste will be increasing slightly in the next 14 days. And for the metal plastic waste, the yellow line is for actual data, while the orange line is for the predicted data. So we can see the overall statistics here on the left side report. However, it seems like there are some huge difference numbers, such as at 10 September 2021, which is 11.37. So this model might need to be trained even more. Based on the prediction and forecast for metal or plastic category, it seems like the metal or plastic waste will be reduced or decreased over the next 14 days. And this is for the glass category. The dark green line is there for the actual data, while the light green line is for the predicted data. We can see the overall statistics for glass category on the left side report. And here it seems like this model also needs to be trained a little bit more, because there are huge difference numbers here, which is 9.03. And based on the prediction or forecast for glass waste, it seems like the glass waste will also be increased slightly over the next 14 days.
In conclusion, we did two parts for this smart city. First, we trained the model to predict the category of the trash by using FlashWeb, and then we do summarization of trash transaction and forecasting in Apex.